am, different places. It's Canary Wharf is high rise. I need to find out more about this area. I just know it as Canary Wharf. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if this is not your first time. My name is Agogo and welcome to Among Journeys. Today we're out and about. But let me just tell you about my frustrations first of all. It's quite a noisy place. I'm gonna have to be talking loud. Frustrations of today's journey, let me tell you. Okay? Yeah. Today there's a strike with the TfL, that's Transport for London, and the workers underground, overground, trains. Most of the stations are shut. I think underground started late today, but the overground, by the time I was leaving my house, they are not open as well, so it was stressful for me. I had to use the buses. I used 3 buses to come to the location where me and my friend were meeting, Metro Gypsy, and it was stressful, but funny enough, I was just calm today because I haven't been out in a long time, so it was easy for me to just stay calm and just try to enjoy the whole process. Well, today's outfit is my green blazer. It's a linen blazer from Zara, and then this top is from ASOS, I believe, and then my jeans, trousers. I can't remember where I got this. This was a while back, but it's one of the jeans I love to wear. And then I've got like white trainers. I'll give you a look of it for you to see it. Yeah, so we have an outing. We're going to shoot a couple of shots for Instagram as well. The blogger's life, isn't it? Blogger's life. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed this. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. To see more of London, to see more of me talking about my hair. How's my hair looking today? Looking lovely, looking lovely. And also, yeah, all things fashion. That's what we do in this channel. Travel to, just follow me, subscribe. And if you haven't seen my Instagram, go subscribe on Instagram. I'll put it this time on the video because I always forget to do it. Now that's it, guys. Keep watching. I'll show you where I am, different places. It's Canary Wharf is high rise. I need to find out more about this area. I just know it as Canary Wharf and I don't really know much about it. I do have a friend who lives around there somewhere, but the houses are lovely. The place is pretty nice. Very London. Yeah, very London. I'm having a cold mocha. Very nice. I showed you the bar. Nice place. And the owners are nice too, letting me do all I'm doing right here at the moment. Nice people. So, enjoy the day with me. Camera there, so I don't want to get the camera. Oh God, have we gone the wrong way? Oh God. went the wrong way. We're going to is the Canary Museum. We had a show linked to an exhibition linked to you. We're in the bus now, and the bus is on diversion. Yes, that's the transport for you. Can change this minute. We're already late for our exhibition. Hopefully, when we get there, they will still let us in to see an exhibition. If not, I will let you people know. We're finally here. So finally we're coming to the exhibition. Our ticket was supposed to be for 1:30 because of the truck strike and everything. We're finally in here for 4 o'clock. First of all, my battery died, so I had to look for somewhere to charge it, and a very gorgeous lady gave us the charger head. I didn't even carry my power bank. I didn't carry nothing today. Today's trip has been interesting, but yeah, now I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see the flower bowls. Is a work of art. Gorgeous, gorgeous pieces.